Today I will show you very good tutorial. Very good, I tell you. So my very good friend, he sent me picture and he say, can you fix for me? Can you fix picture? So this the picture he sent me. He say my forehead is very big, very big. He tell me any way you can fix, make smaller. I tell him no problem. I am professional. I can fix anything. So today I will show you how to fix issue like this. Very simple. The only thing to do is to use the special tool called Liquify. So what you want to do is go to filter and click Liquify. When you're in Liquify, what you want to do is click on the pucker tool. The pucker tool is very helpful for a situation like this. So zoom in, and what you want to do is decrease the brush size. Decrease it to like this size, and just click on the forehead. Just click, just click and make forehead shrink. What you do is shrink the forehead. So just shrink it. So once you feel like you have done enough, you want to click on this tool, the forward wrap tool. Forward wrap tool, you want to make brush size about this size, and just bring down the forehead, to about normal size. This is not normal, his forehead a little, little enormous, but no problem, we will fix for him. Just bring his forehead down to about here. Okay, this looks good already. My goodness, there we go. So now what you want to do is once you like what you did, click OK, and ta-da, look what we have here. I think you will be very happy, very happy. We have fixed his forehead and did not take very long. So thank you for watching. I hope you will use what you learned.